In this video, I'll walk you through how to add an API key to the Verity Mod. First, open the Verity Mod in your game. Press Escape, then go to Mods. From the left-hand menu, select Verity Forge and click on Config. At the top, switch to AI Settings. This is where you'll paste your API key. Before entering the key, there are a few important settings to configure. Start with the AI provider. The most recommended option is Grow, which is what we'll use in this guide. If you're using a different provider, make sure to select it here. Next is the AI intelligence level, which controls how smart Verity behaves. You'll see options like Fast Light, Fast, and Intelligent. For the best balance, set it to Fast Light. For text-to-speech, choose native TDS instead of Cloud TDS. Cloud TDS can quickly consume your usage limits, which may prevent you from using it further since it's not completely free. Under TDS Voice, select Daniel for the most natural Verity-like sound. Now, let's get your API key. Open your browser and search for the Grow console. Once there, scroll down and access the API section. Click on Create API Key. You'll need to sign in, usually with a Google account. After that, create a new key and give it a name. Make sure to save your API key somewhere safe. It will only be shown once, and you won't be able to view it again after leaving the page. Once you have it, copy the key, go back to Minecraft, and paste it into the API field in the Verity settings. Click Done, then return to the game. That's it, you're all set. Verity will now use the API key to power its AI responses and interact with you in-game. If you want to take things further, playing Verity with friends on a modded Minecraft server makes the experience even better.